Alright, well going family. So honestly, nothing more really got this week, you know. Plus then like if I check the levels, I didn't even do my trades this week. You can say just one attempt I made. But yeah, I think I probably should clean my chart, but I'm just gonna review this particular week and thing. By the way guys, if you're actually interested in me like doing like daily trade sessions, let me know, you know, so I can like get personal setups or even just tell you what I'm thinking in the mornings before, you know, trades start. But yeah, so what took place this week really was, alright, so remember I was saying that when you reach these zones the market is going to react, and it actually did. You know, it's like a little out of the way, but at the end of the day it still react close to that area. But when the week started, it was here, alright, and I thought that it would probably like touch right here and then go back down or do something, but it never happened. And this was I think like the Monday. So when you start move, I was like, alright, cool. I'm gonna wait to reach up here, so reach here, so and then so alright, that turned out now. And then you see the bearish candle come in right here, so I'm like, alright, cool. That drop. And I never entertainment, I'm just doing so it I do, and then it go up and then I say, alright, like maybe it was like a break and a retest and I'll continue. And then I don't that never happened, that not happen, and basically why did go back and go down. So right here I was tell you a joke, this right here, so I entered right here, so but apparently it was in my dreams, because like when I saw right here, I'm sorry, right, break it or drop back, alright, and apparently I was so tired that I never enter it. So I don't know, because I literally saw this setup, I'm like, yeah man, we're gonna drop now, we're gonna drop and do the whole works, you see me? But not the one. So when you reach back right here, so now I say, alright, maybe it'll come back here, so I'm playing right here. So this was like, it was before my trading session actually started, so I just did say, you know what, let's make it stay here, man. And then he come back right here, so could I sell? But to be honest, this week was really like hectic. I haven't do an animated video in a while, and I was actually trying to get one in, so that basically it. So basically the whole of this area, like in my mind, was like, alright, it just consolidating, isn't it? But that never really happened, and just dead here going up mommy break and it break up back. So it's like forming new structure, because mentally say yo, it cross the zone, alright, it cross the zone over here, so kind of expect say yo, it gonna dwindle and do the whole work before it actually start to know. If you notice the next place right here, so that'll be really it up here, so kind of a little far from it though, but I'm gonna really put it past it. You see, so I hope so like maybe Sunday it like come back and drop, because see basically this is free zone. It's basically forming free space all the way up to whatever, all the way up to the moon, you see me? So all the way up to up there, so it's free space. But they see there, so you know, can check it out and see if it continue on the trend, because if it made it's been an uptrend for a good little while now. Good little while. It's been an uptrend basically. So yeah. But for my trade I'm actually do nothing special, because I think I actually end up lose. Yeah, I lost this trade and I was like, alright. So I see bear back come up here, so and then so yeah man, break and you know it do a look retest, and I was seeing the wicks and everything, and then I said, alright, cool, it's supposed to go up now or whatever, go up. And as I enter, kid you not, as I enter, I see a big drawdown, and I'm saying, you know what, yeah, I'm just leave it be. Wake up, stopped out, but at the end of the day, it ended up go back up. So if I did actually get where I entered, I'd probably enter here, so. But then it kind of be counterintuitive in a way, because I'm working with the zones, and if I'm gonna enter by right beneath a zone, that kind of, you know, be shaky. You just probably just wait up a little more. But I probably just if like, you know, catch the buy, but you know, win some, you lose some. But that's really right now. This is in a consolidation, so you know, it's really, it's just a zone. It's just forming right now. So just a wait on that. Wait till it just form. Cause if for me, you notice here, I say it's consolidating. Yes, but you see, kind of hold this kind of vibe. Isn't it? So you know, yeah, I wonder what is what, but who knows. So yeah, that's really it for this video, guys. I don't think it was a long video, but yeah, what I'll do is I'll see what happens on Monday or Sunday night, and probably just drop something for that in particular, isn't me, and see if we can probably the intro together or whatever. But that's something if you guys like, you know, just comment and let me know. Just, you know, like, share, subscribe, you know, it all works. Much respect, guys. Love you. Catch you in the next video.